Welcome to our 2-minute journey where we are going to explore a thought-provoking concept that affects us all. So picture this. You are walking down a bustling street and suddenly you come across a sign that says "Freedom for Sale." Would you take it? Well, it's tempting, right? We all crave for freedom. The ability to do whatever we want, whenever we want, with no one to answer to. But hold on, let's take a closer look at the bigger picture. In reality, each one of us is entangled in a web of responsibilities and relationships. From our loving spouses to our precious children, our caring parents, and even our habits and attitudes. We find ourselves answering to various forces every day. It's like being a juggler, constantly balancing the demands of our personal and professional lives. And that's not all. Our decisions and actions often have ripple effects that impact our larger communities, companies, and the world. Just like a pebble dropped into a calm pond creates ripples that spread far and wide, our lives are interconnected and every choice we make sends echoes throughout our surroundings. Look around you. We live in diverse societies where people from different backgrounds and beliefs coexist. Our ability to thrive as a species depends on how we navigate this intricate web of interconnectedness. It's like a great dance of harmony where each one of us hold hands with others, maintaining the delicate balance of coexistence. From our bosses to our governments, institutions, and even the environment, we find ourselves accountable to this dance. Take climate change for instance. We are answerable to Mother Nature, and if we don't take responsibility for our actions, we jeopardize our own existence. But here's the catch. Rather than chasing an elusive idea of full freedom, perhaps the key lies in creating conditions for peaceful coexistence. When we embrace our interconnectedness and understand that every action we take affects others, we start to see the beauty and being answerable to one another. It's not about losing our individuality, but realizing that our freedoms are intertwined with the freedom of others. So, my friends, let's work together, holding hands in this grand dance of life and create a world where peaceful coexistence becomes the foundation for a brighter future. Remember, it's not about coexistence or no existence. It's about coexistence for existence. Until next time, take care and keep embracing the beauty of coexistence. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.